Are you over 50 and struggling with nagging muscle pain, restless sleep, or dry, irritated skin that just won't heal? No matter what you try. What if I told you that the solution might be sitting right in your bathroom cabinet, and it costs less than your morning coffee? Today, we're diving deep into the 10 extraordinary health benefits of Epsom salt, a time-tested remedy that can detox your body, ease pain, enhance circulation, restore skin health, and even support your immune system, all without a single pill. And be sure to stick around for benefit number 2, because it addresses a problem millions silently deal with and rarely talk about. Before we begin, if you've used Epsom salt before, comment 1, so I know you're already part of this wellness wave. And don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and the bell icon so you never miss a practical, science-backed tip to help you feel better, move better, and age with vitality. So what exactly is Epsom salt, and why is it so powerful? Unlike table salt, Epsom salt is not sodium-based. It's made of magnesium sulfate, a combination of 2 essential minerals your body absolutely needs, but often lacks, especially as we age. Magnesium plays a critical role in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, from muscle function and nerve signaling to sleep regulation and energy production. Your body can't function properly without it. Sulfate supports nutrient absorption, detoxification, and even joint health by aiding in the production of collagen and proteins. Here's the magic. When you soak in an Epsom salt bath, these minerals are absorbed through your skin and go straight into your bloodstream, bypassing the digestive system altogether. It's a gentle, efficient way to correct deficiencies that creep in with age and lifestyle. Let's explore 10 powerful ways Epsom salt can upgrade your health naturally. 10. Supercharge your immune system. As we age, our immune defenses weaken, making us more susceptible to infections, colds, and slower recovery. Magnesium supports the immune system by activating T cells, reducing inflammation, and helping regulate the body's stress response, which plays a big role in immunity. Regular Epsom salt baths support overall immune health by lowering stress hormones, improving sleep, and aiding in the removal of immune-disrupting toxins. Although transdermal magnesium absorption is debated, Epsom salt baths are frequently used to aid stress reduction, relaxation, and indirectly support immunity by lowering cortisol. For an immune boost, enhance your bath with antimicrobial essential oils such as tea tree, eucalyptus, or oregano oil. Just a few drops will do. These not only uplift your senses, but also provide added protection against pathogens through their natural antiseptic properties. 9. Ease nerve pain and sciatica naturally. If you suffer from neuropathy, sciatica, or sharp, shooting nerve pain, you already know how disruptive and persistent it can be. Magnesium plays a critical role in nerve signaling and muscle function. When combined with the soothing warmth of a bath, Epsom salt can help relax overactive nerves, reduce inflammation, and ease the discomfort associated with nerve-related pain. Many people with chronic nerve sensitivity or diabetic nerve pain report noticeable relief after regular Epsom salt soaks, sometimes avoiding or minimizing the need for over-the-counter pain medications. Magnesium plays a protective role in peripheral nerve function. Foot soaks or topical magnesium baths have shown effectiveness in reducing symptoms of chemotherapy-induced peripheral neuropathy. Try this. Soak your feet in a basin of warm water with 1 cup of Epsom salt, or take a full-body bath for 20 minutes to experience whole-body relaxation and pain relief. 8. Detox your body and naturally boost energy. Every day, your body absorbs toxins, whether from processed foods, air pollution, skincare products, or even stress. Over time, this toxic load can leave you feeling tired, heavy, and out of sync. That's where Epsom salt baths can serve as a gentle detoxification ally. The sulfate component of Epsom salt helps flush out environmental toxins, heavy metals, and waste through the skin, your body's largest detox organ. Meanwhile, magnesium supports your liver, improves energy production, and reduces oxidative stress. For a more powerful detox soak, add 2 cups of Epsom salt to a warm bath and soak for 20 minutes. To neutralize chlorine in tap water, add a 1/4 cup of baking soda. This combination not only enhances detoxification, but also leaves your skin soft and refreshed. 7. Say goodbye to constipation and bloating. Digestive discomfort doesn't just affect your stomach. It can drain your energy, fog your thinking, and interfere with daily life. Constipation and bloating are common complaints, especially as we age or when we're not getting enough fiber or hydration. Epsom salt acts as a natural osmotic laxative when taken internally in very small, medically approved doses. The magnesium sulfate draws water into the intestines, softening stool and stimulating bowel movement. It works gently, making it a safer, less irritating alternative to harsh chemical laxatives. Important note: use only USP-grade Epsom salt labeled for internal use, and limit intake to 1/2 teaspoon dissolved in a full glass of water, taken only occasionally and under medical supervision. This approach can relieve occasional constipation and reduce that sluggish, heavy feeling, restoring your digestive rhythm in a natural way. 6. Reduce swelling in feet, ankles, and hands. If you've ever dealt with swollen feet, puffiness in the ankles, or tightness in your hands, you know just how uncomfortable and limiting it can be. This swelling, often caused by fluid retention, poor circulation, or inflammation, becomes more common with age, sedentary lifestyles, or certain health conditions like arthritis and venous insufficiency. Epsom salt can offer a simple, natural solution. Thanks to its magnesium content and the principle of osmosis, Epsom salt draws excess fluid out of the body's tissues and into the bathwater, helping reduce localized swelling and improve comfort. Magnesium sulfate draws water into the colon, easing bowel movements within 30 minutes to 6 hours. Its osmotic laxative effect is well documented in medical literature. How to use it? Dissolve 2 cups of Epsom salt in a warm bath and soak for 20 minutes. For best results, elevate your legs during the soak. This position encourages fluid drainage from the lower limbs back toward the heart, amplifying the depuffing effect. 5. Improved blood circulation and lowered blood pressure. Epsom salt dilates blood vessels, which improves circulation and helps lower blood pressure naturally. Topical Epsom salt applications have been shown to reduce lower leg edema, circulatory swelling, demonstrated in diabetic and postpartum foot immersion studies. Many people report warmer feet, improved energy, and even more stable blood pressure readings after just a few weeks of regular soaks. 4. Relief from aches, arthritis, and joint pain. Whether it's muscle cramps, arthritis, or soreness after exercise, magnesium works as a natural muscle relaxant while sulfate supports cartilage. A 2023 randomized study reported significant improvement in arthritis-related pain and joint mobility after using Epsom salt compresses. Other trials link topical magnesium sulfate to decreased flexion pain. Try this. Soak with 2 cups of Epsom salt for 20 minutes and feel your pain melt away. 3. Healthier, younger-looking skin. Over time, skin becomes dry, dull, and less elastic. Epsom salt gently exfoliates dead skin while the magnesium reduces inflammation, and sulfate supports your skin barrier. A 2005 clinical study using Dead Sea, magnesium-rich, salt baths showed improved skin barrier function, hydration, and reduced inflammation in individuals with dry skin. Newer research confirms magnesium sulfate's effectiveness in calming eczema and psoriasis. For a glow-up, mix 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt with honey or olive oil and gently scrub your face or body. Your skin will thank you. 2. Strengthen bones and support calcium absorption. Magnesium is a silent partner in your bone health. Without it, your body can't properly use calcium, even if you're taking supplements. Over 60% of our body's magnesium is stored in bones, where it's essential for vitamin D activation and calcium absorption. Strengthening this mineral foundation helps maintain bone density as we age. Pro tip: soaking 2 to 3 times a week not only boosts magnesium levels, it also helps activate vitamin D, which is essential for bone strength. 1. Deep, restful sleep. Tossing and turning all night? Magnesium helps regulate GABA, a neurotransmitter that calms the nervous system and prepares the brain for rest. It also supports the natural production of melatonin, your body's sleep hormone. Magnesium supports the production of GABA and melatonin, both critical for initiating and maintaining sleep. A 2018 systematic review found positive associations between magnesium levels and improved sleep parameters in older adults. Try this. Soak in a warm bath with 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salt about an hour before bed. Even a 15-minute foot soak can calm the nerves and lead to deeper, uninterrupted sleep. How to use Epsom salt for maximum health benefits. Full body soak. Add 2 cups of Epsom salt to warm bath water. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes, 2 to 3 times per week. Foot soak. Add 1 cup to a basin of warm water. Soak for 15 minutes to reduce swelling, nerve pain, or fatigue. Scrub. Mix 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt with olive oil, honey, or your favorite cleanser to exfoliate and refresh the skin. Internal use. Only use USP-grade Epsom salt. Dissolve half a teaspoon in water for occasional constipation, but always consult your doctor first. Safety first. Precautions to keep in mind. Always consult your healthcare provider before beginning regular Epsom salt use, especially if you have diabetes, high blood pressure, kidney disease, or heart conditions. If you have sensitive skin, start with just 1 cup of Epsom salt in a full bath and increase gradually. Stay well hydrated before and after your soak to support healthy mineral balance and detoxification. Epsom salt is one of nature's most affordable, powerful, and overlooked remedies. A single ingredient with the ability to relax your body, detox your system, and renew your energy. If you found this information helpful, go ahead and hit that like button to support this channel. Have you tried Epsom salt before? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story might help someone else. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more trusted natural health insights designed to help you feel your best at every age. Until next time, stay energized, stay pain-free, and take good care of your beautiful body.